Hi everyone. Mindy opened this one up on her channel, and I can't think of what her channel name is. Anyway, this is Fundafal from the company Fundafal from Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And there goes my notifications. Let's see if I can fix this. Okay. So when Mindy opened this up, I just died a million deaths. Okay. So Fundafal gives you a really nice box. Okay. Also very hard to get out. Okay. Now I know this is double-sided tape, so I hope this doesn't mess up. Okay, obviously great packaging. Alright. The last time I opened one with double-sided tape, it totally messed up. So let's just give it a chance to settle. Yep, the back looks really, really good. Okay. So we'll just give that a chance. Okay. This one is the birds. Get it up here. This is the birdhouse. I absolutely love birds. This is 50 by 30. I think this was true to size. So it's just absolutely beautiful. Let's see. There are 30 colors, and it gives you an inventory sheet. Let's see. Everything looks fairly easy to read. Okay. My understanding is you're not supposed to... Okay, you got your basic toolkit. You got two of them. Okay. Oh, speaking of toolkits, I got this in the mail. It is from... Oh no, I feel bad now. Jim's Handmade Pens or something on Etsy. So it is a burgundy, black, and silver. And so... I'm still not sure I like this because I tend to hold my hands down here instead of like up here. But it is beautiful. I love it. I know there are several shops out there that make it. Check out his. And it was only $20, something like that. And it didn't take very long to get here. So definitely check him out. Let's go through the drills. Let's see here. These in order. 157. Yes, they are. Okay. Alright. So a lot of blues, a lot of grays. 159. Pretty yellow. Let's do it this way. Okay. Some grays. And we'll just go this way. That's probably a 6.6. Oh, 321. Okay. Some browns. Oh, we got a hitchhiker. Oranges. Or I guess tan. Wow, my light's kind of making these things look a lot brighter than they are. That's not yellow. But, yeah. That's probably 666. There we go. Green for the trees. Let's see. 712. Okay. More yellows, greens, oranges, probably for the birds. More greens, so yeah. Oh, there's more. Okay. Oh, I love blue. Okay. 38, 65. Oh, some dusty pinks. Then a dark chocolate, maybe. 30, 40. Some more dusty colors. Oh, another beautiful blue. some more oranges. Some more. Oh, that's a really pretty green, pretty vibrant. Okay. Let's see if I can get this. Let's see if I can get this without ruining it. Please don't ruin. Please don't ruin. Please don't ruin. Don't think you're supposed to roll these backward because you'll ruin the tape. Okay. Oh, please, please, please don't be ruined. Okay. I don't know, did I ruin it? Is this all in one? Okay, I don't think, oh, this is really super sticky. Okay, there's that. Please don't be ruined. Just pull very carefully back. Just keep pulling. Okay. Oh wow, this is really pretty. Okay, what I'm going to do is very carefully put it this way. Put it this way, then I'll show you the other side because my table isn't long enough. Okay. Oh, look how beautiful. Look at the orange birds. Okay. Please don't be ruined. Like have air bubbles or anything. Okay. Anyway, that's what this looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm hoping I didn't mess anything up. It looks like I might have. I don't know. Anyway, it is beautiful. See, it's starting to... I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I'm trying to be so careful. We'll see how it goes. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.